Hello, Chef here. Another recipe for you. Orzo pasta. It only comes from Italy. Number 69. Oh, I like it. Orzo. Okay, I'm going to show you how to cook this. In this recipe, I'll be using a lot of different vegetables and flavors here. Of course, we have the garlic. You got to have garlic. I remove the bottom of the garlic as well as peel it. 20 cloves of garlic here. You never get enough. If you want to learn more about garlic, check out this channel and search through the videos. There's a lot of information there. Sweet pepper, Spanish onion, zucchini, baby asparagus. Step one, I've got 4 quarts of boiling water here, a little bit of salt. I'm adding my pasta. I'm going to put the whole pound in here. Ah, yeah. It's looking good already. Okay, I suggest now you stir it up. Okay, to prepare these vegetables, step number 1, sweet pepper. I'm going to remove the seeds from the pepper. Okay, I'll be using half of this pepper today, just like this. And what I like to do is cut the top off first, cut it into pieces like this, remove the pith. This part doesn't taste so good, as you might know. Okay, move this out of the way. Next, we got the onion. Same thing, small dice. Be using half the onion today. Okay then, looking good. Zucchini, small dice. Oh yeah. Olive oil. I only buy the one from Italy, the real deal. Okay, olive oil goes in the pan like this, a nice portion. We start with our garlic. At this point, we put in our peppers, our zucchini, and our asparagus. Pepper. Sea salt. And then we're adding the orzo. This has been drained and it's cooling off. Start with a little bit like this. Okay, the finished vegetarian orzo pasta goes on the plate like this. Very, very nice. Of course, this would go perfect with chicken or fish or something else, but I'm going to serve it just like this, vegetarian style today. Got a little bit of this awesome mozzarella. I'm going to be putting a little bit of mozzarella cheese on here, just like this. And sometimes I use my torch, brown this cheese a little bit, just melt it a little bit. That is the finished pasta. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Oh, that's gonna be good. Please click that little like button and we'll be inspired to make some more videos. Yeah. Vegetarian orzo pasta.